Hello. Welcome back, guys, to my YouTube channel. If you're seeing the screen, then you know which video we're going to continue. Yesterday, we're going to continue our requirement analysis, episode number 13 for another college. Today, we will be covering for advanced manufacturing in mechanical engineering for TU Chemnitz. That will be our episode number 13. So we will just go through the requirement analysis of this particular college, which will be episode number 13. But in the previous video, we also checked the requirement analysis of Rosenheim Technology University. Then we got to know that the application is only open from April 15 to April 30, only for 15 days. And whenever the application is open, I also promised you that I will also show you how to apply for that particular college. But it is your duty. If the application is open in between any of the other university, please comment it out, so I will also make a video for you. As we are getting ready for winter semester 2026, there will be no summer semester 2025 colleges to be applied now, because most of the colleges will start in March 1st or April 1st already. So most of the application is already done. Then if you're new to this channel and you don't know anything about this channel, in this channel we make videos about requirement analysis at first. So in the requirement analysis, we always go through the overview, cost details, requirements and registration, course details, modules handbook, when is the deadline, and where to apply, and what are the documents that you need to submit, and in order to get into admission or in order to get into that particular college, what are the requirements that you need to fulfill. After getting to know all this information, we just write down everything. With that, we will also write down the application deadline. When the application deadline is met, we will also make a video on how to apply in that particular deadline period and in the application link that they have shown. Upon this, if you still need one-on-one session with me, then you always can contact me via email or become a YouTube member. Then I'll be obliged to give you a one-on-one session, or you can use that session as to either you apply with my help or I only apply for you. That is how we have made videos about it. But yeah, today, as I told you, it would be episode number 13. We will talk about advanced manufacturing, mechanical engineering and production in Chemnitz University of Technology. Whenever we do requirement analysis, we just go through the overview, course detail, online learning, cost and funding, requirements and registration. In the overview, you can just see the degree is Master of Science in Advanced Manufacturing. Course location is in Chemnitz. Teaching language English. Language is completely in English, and there is sufficient amount of courses that are held in English, and you can also finish the complete course 100% in English, so no need to worry. Full-time, part-time, it is full-time possible, less than 50% online possible, but this is the thing that they started when the corona hit happened. But as of now, if you ask me, it is completely 100%, because there will be attendance mandatory in some of the colleges. Additional information, we provide individual support to student experiencing visa issues. So there are online courses for first semester available, so you can already begin with your studies from abroad. So they have also taken into consideration that some of the people who are coming, like say example India, they will be having visa delays or your student visa delays. So that's the reason they are considering that, and they are also giving the first semester lectures as online. So where if you cannot get a visa in time, then you can directly enroll via online and do the first semester courses online, then come here and write the exam when you are here for the examination time. Then application deadline is 15 July. Starts from October. Usually TU Chemnitz is until 15 July, but it is only for winter semester. That's the reason it is given here 15 July. And usually we apply via UniAssist, because TU Chemnitz is one of the university which usually accepts through UniAssist. Then tuition fees is none, combined degree program is none, joint degree program is also not possible. Description and content, we just go through this description and context if we don't have any course details here, but we have a course detail and summary, everything. So we just first start with here, the Master of Advanced Manufacturing or Advanced Manufacturing. The Masters in Advanced Manufacturing is a 2-year 4-semester program. You'll start right away with the first semester, various methodologies or manufacturing technologies. The course on research methodology equipped with skills in excelling your academic environment and makes you familiar with the foundational and what is called as modern specific method. So in the first semester, you gain first overview of different future-oriented manufacturing methods and related current questions regarding the availability of resources. Then we offer you major profile and large variety of options so that you can design your study according to your individual performance or preferences, then required skill, your desired area of work. After that, we expect our student to become excellent in their knowledge, critical their reflection, not only scientific world, and vulnerable or valuable contribution to best of all past. In the 4 semester course, the summary is divided, or summary of this course structure is basic modules of advanced manufacturing in first and second semester, modules of research method and soft skills in first and second semester again. Profile modules will be first semester to third semester. Elective courses is between second and third semester. Application module or applied engineering project will be in third semester, and the fourth semester you will do your complete master degree course. The specialization 35 credit points is the one that you choose based on your specialization. You will choose any one of it, but other things would be normal, where you learn the additive manufacturing 5 core subjects, and any of the specialization you will take up, applied engineering project, master thesis, then elective courses of 20 ECTS. So this is how your course is divided. So yeah, then at the finishing of your thesis and defending your thesis 100%, then you will awarded your diploma supplement. Certificate will be not certificate of specific module will be also awarded, so you don't need to worry. Then projects with partners in German and abroad is possible. Language training program provided, because usually TU Chemnitz at the application itself they ask usually to have A1 certificate or A2, and you need to have fulfilled A2 before you start your master thesis. That's the one criteria of TU Chemnitz. So if that is the case, then you need to get a language training provided from the department or the college. After that, a description of other international elements. So here you can just see the international study element. We consistently strive provide with the opportunity to visit the additional countries. Therefore, the professor and researcher at Chemnitz University of Technology have established a network over the worldwide. So you usually going and publishing the papers, and you'll go and have a conferences attended your professor. So usually they have also worldwide connection. And diverse intercultural background, integrated internship. So we offer intense interaction with worldwide renowned internship partners through the innovation marketplace competition. Students have the opportunity to recommend themselves to participate in companies and vice versa. Our senior students have expertise in the full support in this model as it provides exposure for both industry and academic supervision. So that they are saying usually you don't have a mandatory internship, but you can easily after your third semester, before you start your master thesis, you can get a Urlaub semester and do your master thesis or internship in the company. After doing the internship in your company, you can also extend that internship or get a new topic and finish your thesis also in company, where you get the academic and the practical experience on that particular topic which you are working on. Online learning, as we talked, it will be for instruction led, and the attendance is compulsory, but this module online learning is only for people who will get their visa delayed in first semester, then they can use of it. Tuition fees is none. The tuition fees or the public, it falls under public university, so the study fees will be free, and semester contribution would be 330 euros per 6 semester. With this 330 euros, it is negligible. Why we call it? Because with this you will also get your Deutschland ticket. With this Deutschland ticket you can travel entire Germany without any having extra ticket. So this ticket will include complete transportation across your Germany. Cost of living is 970 euros as of now, that they have estimated to be lived in TU Chemnitz or Chemnitz around. You need to have possess 970 euros, but for us it doesn't even matter, because we are the person who are coming outside Germany or non-EU, where we have to block 11,300 or 11,500 euros at the first year. So that particular money will be divided into 12 parts and sent to us every month. So we don't need to worry about 970 euros, but we need to worry only about our blocked account, because at first year, yes, it is blocked, but for second year either you have to block again, or you need to find a part-time job, work student, EV, anything, in order to prove that you have got a support for your funding for next year. Then incoming student can apply using the international site, where you will get the information about how to apply, where to apply, and things like that. But during the application process, you will be offered to dedicate the industrial sponsored funding program within the initiative of Full Expert. But as per I know, in order to apply for this particular course, you have to use or apply via UniAssist, because usually the application is done by UniAssist, which we get to know now. In the main or important section, requirements and registration. In order to get into this particular course, what are the things that you need to have? In order to get into this particular course, you need to have a master degree program in advanced manufacturing or fulfilled by a mechanical engineering, in-depth knowledge in scientific knowledge in following fields. Specific mathematical methods, you need to have at least 18 ECTS. We will have it. Specific engineering data processing totaling at least 12 ECTS, and metallurgy and control engineering totaling 8 credit points. New materials engineering 8 credit points. In-depth theoretical basic of engineering in total of 12 credit points. Resource efficient manufacturing components. English language proficiency of B2 level. So usually the B2 level that they are starting is from IELTS 5.5. So you need to possess IELTS 5.5 and above. Then a German language proficiency of A1 at the time of application itself. So this is one particular or peculiar application requirement that usually TU Chemnitz have, which you have to finish A1 at the time of application only. With A1 only you have to apply. So yeah, this is one example. Then in order to prove all these ECTS that you have done, you need to provide module handbook when you are applying. Then you need to have IELTS 5.5 and above, which is straightforward. Then application deadline is 15 July and submit the application in DU application.de. It is not necessary to send the certificate copies. Please note that EOD application must receive all application document by application deadline. So detailed application information is found in the website. We can go through this application portal. So this might be for internal, maybe for us we have to apply via UniAssist, but irrespective we have to apply in July 15th before. So usually we can start applying in April 15th or May when the application is open. Then we will get to know if we have to use the internal website or a UniAssist. But yeah, when it is open I will make a video, you don't need to worry. Then in services, possibility of part-time opportunity will be always there. Once you get your visa, you will land here, and with the student visa you can work 142 to 80 half days as of now, and in that half days or full days you can use it directly for internship, work student, research assistant, for technical jobs. If you don't get any technical jobs, then you can also use that for your non technical jobs where you work as a restaurant waiters. And then accommodation, usually you will also get cheaper accommodation in student and work inside TU campus. Please make sure you apply there, then you will get room for 270 to 350 euros, which is very cheap. But if you don't get that, then you need to go out of the college, then it will be usually high. So I suggest you guys to, as soon as you get an admission, please apply in student and work. Then there will be career advisory service, buddy program, welcome email will be always there in all college. You can get to know.